The Maps feature in our app permits you the ability to set pins or stores for each of the locations on a map that you desire. You can have up to 100 of those. And each of these pins, when selected, displays a title. And then the title also has the ability then to be selected, which then gives you a URL that it points to. So for instance, here is a map on our app, and you'll see the various pins. And if you select a pin, there's a title of the pin, the distance you are from that pin, and if you select the eye, it will actually go to a URL of your choice. This would be great for setting up a game of some type or a tournament where users will have to go to a particular location where they're informed to go to the next location, etc., until such time as a winner is found. Now, when the user passes by a pin within a certain radius that you'll define, the message is displayed on their phone welcoming them to, in this case, Lac du Chien Sailing Club. So if you're passing by a store, it would say, "Welcome to my store." And then the eye, if selected, would probably display the contents of that store. So how do we set this up? First, go to the location, so browser and location. When you're in here, all you're doing is entering in your store, which is the title that would be displayed, like you saw back here. That title is the title that gets displayed here. So you simply type in the title, you type in the message, "Welcome to," in this case, Pontiac Bay, get the latitude and the longitude of that location, and then the time indicates how long before a message is displayed when the user approaches that particular location, in this case 5 seconds. The radius is in meters, so how far would the user be where the message would still be received to them? In this case, it would be 300 meters. The link that when someone selects this eye, it is giving you an opportunity here to enter that link. The yes for an alert, if you want the alert to be sent to their phone or devices. You want the push notification that gets displayed in the center of their screen, and whether or not this particular pin should be displayed in the map. Perhaps you have 10 pins. The first one is a starting pin that gets displayed, but then the other 9 pins don't get displayed, and the first pin tells the user how to get to the second pin. Or you want to display all the pins, as this has an example of that, where it displays all the pins. So this is how you set up your maps. Now, to have this map display on your phone, select the menu. Under menu, there is the 9th key, which is reserved. So number 9 on your list is reserved for maps. You don't have to enter a link. You just have to indicate whether or not you want it displayed, yes or no. If you say yes, then of course the icon, the map icon, appears right underneath your other icons on your app, the last one. If you say no, then of course the icon doesn't appear at all. Now the user can still pass by a particular location and will still be notified that they've passed by. It's just that they're not going to have the benefit of seeing the pins on a map. And so that's how you establish your maps within our app.